Hi everyone, 4 minus 2 is 2. Drop the times 4 minus 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Drop the minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. And the answer is 6. Or 4 minus 2 is 2 times 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 4. 6 and 4 are both wrong. Let me show you how to solve this tricky math problem using PEMDAS correctly. You start with 2 times 4 because multiplication has high priority. So 2 times 4 is 8. Drop the 4 minus 2. And you solve from left to right. So 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Minus 2, and negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. And there you go.